Shut up and sit down.
Hello gang, Colin here, Festa 67's workshop. Postman's bin. Postman's bin. I've taken my address off. I have a feeling this is from my good friend Ross Medlock, who sent me through a kit here. So yeah, so I'm going to be opening this bad boy. Trying not to slice my hand off with my knife of cuttage. So let's have a looky-loo. Ross is a bit of a joker, so let's just make sure he's not booby-trapped anything in there, like an exploding, what's his name, what's that stuff? Sprinkly stuff. Oh, it's very sexily wrapped. Hey. Let's open the bag. Oh, bless him. Bless him. Oh, mate, you legend. Yes, Ross is ashamed of me because I haven't built a biplane. And look at that. Oh, my God, that is gorgeous. Little Roden RAF BE-12B from World War One. Oh, Ross, that's diamond, mate. Look at that. Festa's got a biplane. Oh, man. Oh, got to open it. Dun, 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 dun. Oh, look at that. Oh, they're cute. Oh, I'm going to have fun doing this. Yeah, and Ross will be contributing to the swear box, no doubt. Look at that. Oh, mint. It's even got the bomb of goodness on it, folks. Look at that. Oh, man. Festa's got a biplane. Oh, it's going to look mint hanging from that ceiling up there because I've got all my jet liners and all of that lot. Oh, mate, I'm stoked. Look at that. Can I do biplane noises? Yeah. Oh, Ross, you are a top geezer, mate. Oh, mate, I'll thank you personally when I see you in the 24/7. Look at that, folks. Wingage. Oh, man. Oh, Fox is going to be so jealous because I've got a biplane. Oh, Fox is going to be gutted. Brilliant. Ross, you are a superstar, buddy. I am looking forward to having a go at building that, mate. I'll get some paints in, fella, and we'll get that all sorted out. Oh, man, Night Interceptor. Wow. And it's got a big old Zeppelin there that's going down. Oh, mate, I love that. Absolutely love it. Oh, you legend, mate. You've got 3 different variants there. Oh, mate. Yeah. NH Dimmock from Biggin Hill. That's from the number 75 HD Squadron, Gosport in early 18. A flight at number 76 HD Squadron flown by Lieutenant W.E. Watt, Compenthorpe, August the 5th, 1918. And it's when you look at it and go, God, it's 100 years ago. Damn. Oh, Ross, mate, you are a star. Many, many, many thanks, mate, for that. You've cheered good old Festa up there, buddy, and I look forward to building that, mate. Thank you, Ross. Top quality. Scale modelling ninja, folks. Like and subscribe to his channel because he's a star. Thank you very much, folks. Catch you later. Bye-bye for now.